Hi, and welcome back to Eastern Connections Look at Edmodo. Here are some of the advanced features. Again, remember when you log in, the interface that you see is the Everything screen. This is where students are participating and talking to one another. You get to see all the groups, all the feeds, all the posts. Let's look at the Small Groups feature first. Let your mouse hover over a group and then click Members. Here's where you'll get a list of all the members of that group. There are a few different things that you can do. You can look at a student's grades, you can reset the password, or you can delete a student if necessary. When you click Grades, it shows grades. Unfortunately, I have nothing to show for this particular student. When you click Password, you can reset the password if the student has forgotten it. And a wonderful management tool is the Delete button. You can remove a student if their behavior is inappropriate. Okay, so now let's go back over to create small group. This is a wonderful feature if you want to have projects that have different parts. So we click Create Small Group. You're going to name your group, and then we're going to add students. The interface is very simple. You simply highlight the students that you want. You click the Add arrow, and it moves it over to the group that it belongs to. Let's say, for instance, you made a group, and then you decided that you weren't quite happy with the members. You can always highlight the student's name and hit Delete. You can add as many groups as you want. You'll see under the group name, now you have the small group names. You can rename, archive, or delete the small groups. Make sure you delete from this page. Going back to the main interface, you can see now that the small group is a pop-up when you start to type in the name of the group. You can send messages directly. Another cool feature is grades. Students can turn in assignments to you online. They can attach the file of their project. Once you hit the spotlight Turned In Assignments, you can go and look and see what people turned in. The name of the project will be listed underneath their name. Once you click that project, you can enter in grades. Grades are not available for everyone to see, so don't be afraid to put the grade in. The comment is there for you. Now when you click on Grades at the top of the screen, you can actually look and see what all the different students got. The cool thing about this is that it's also going to give you the average of the grades as you go. Maybe this is a place to do some of your extra credit work. A very wonderful, super cool feature is that you can also export to an Excel spreadsheet. Watch this. OMG, there you go. Now let's look at alerts. When you click Alert, it looks just like the note fields. You type in your information, choose the groups you want to send the alert to, and click the Send button. What's different about the alerts is as it posts and looks a little different. The font type is bigger. We checked out assignments in the Quick Start Guide, but let's look at them again. You click Assignment, you add a title, a description, choose a due date, and then you can add an attachment. You can add a file from your computer, a web address link, or something that's stored in your Edmodo library. If you click at the top, that's where you can import the things to your library. Thanks for joining us again. We hope you learned a lot.